Life has a funny way of happening right when you finally get ahead. The car breaks down, the AC stops working, or a medical bill shows up out of nowhere. For most people, this is a disaster. For you, it's just going to be an inconvenience. Meet our whole crew. Impulse Ivan uses a credit card for emergencies. Anxious Abby stays awake at night worrying, what if? Even Steady Sarah gets nervous when the check engine light comes on. They are all missing one thing, the common sense safety net. Common Sense Cow has a mission for you, the Starter Emergency Fund. $1,000, that's it. Before you pay off the big debts, before you buy more stocks, you need $1,000 in a separate, boring savings account. This isn't just money, it's anxiety insurance. When you have $1,000 tucked away, a flat tire isn't a crisis, it's just a bad afternoon. Cal calls this the wall. It stands between you and the chaos of the world. Once the crew built their walls, something strange happened. They stopped fighting about money. They started sleeping better, because when you're prepared for the rain, you can stop worrying about the storm.